In this video, we'll demonstrate how to share your location on WhatsApp. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to share your location seamlessly on WhatsApp, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Sharing your location on WhatsApp is a useful feature, especially when you want to meet up with someone or let your friends and family know where you are. Here's how you can do it. Open your WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Navigate to the chat where you want to share your location. It could be a group chat or a private conversation. In the chat, tap on the attachment icon, usually represented by a paperclip or camera icon, depending on your device. From the options that appear, select Location. WhatsApp will then detect your current location automatically. If you want to share this location, simply tap the Send button. Alternatively, you can choose a specific location from the list provided. Tap on the desired location, and then tap Send. Additionally, WhatsApp allows you to share your live location for a specific duration. To do this, follow the same steps to reach the location sharing menu. After selecting Location, you'll find an option for Share Live Location. Choose the duration for which you want to share your live location: 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Tap the Send button, and the recipient can now track your live location during the specified time frame. And there you have it. That's how you can easily share your location on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thanks for watching.